like you have lived a life, right, that has impacted so many people. Firstly, thank you for that, and thank you for doing the positive and good work that you do. And this whole journey, you've been judged, criticized, you endured a lot of your side of things, right? If you have to give one message कि अगर आपको एक ऐसी life जीनी है, because I warn people when they say कि I have a big dream, it requires a big sacrifice as well. आप जो मांग रहे हो सोच समझ के मांगो, राइट? इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज कि आप फेम आती है तो उतना मेंटल ट्रॉमा भी आता है, सक्सेस आती है तो उतना बड़ा बैगेज भी आता है उसके साथ. सो लाइक यू हैव गॉन थ्रू अ लाइफ when you have seen ups and downs. So if you have to advise this whole summarize करते हुए कि if somebody out there wants to live a different life or want to achieve something different, what should they be ready for, and what is your one thing that has helped you to endure it and be where you are?
So the first thing I will say, be acceptance towards the change.
So true.
क्योंकि change आएगा
हाँ, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा.
और वो आपको हिला के रख देगा,
हाँ,
लेकिन change आएगा.
चेंज आएगा.
उस change को अगर आप accept कर लोगे तो आपकी लाइफ ना easy हो जाएगी. आप आगे move forward कर पाओगे आराम से.
करेक्ट.
लेकिन अगर आप change नहीं accept कर सकते तो आप वापस वहीं पहुंच जाओगे.
So true. You cannot be scared of change if that is what you're seeking.
Yeah. You
बेवकूफी
have
हो
to be
गई.
acceptable towards the change. Oh,
क्या?
नया change. चलो आज
Yeah,
करते
I
हैं नया
think-
change.
Yeah, I think men are more insecure about change than women. I think that's a fact.
Yeah.
Because I think women are more mature at the same age as guys. Guys को थोड़ा time लगता है.
Because women are going through
many
changes
changes.
every week.
Yeah.
Because of their menstruation cycle, their mood changes every week.
Yeah.
Their body changes every week. वो कोई भी routine अगर करें तो वो
Fix नहीं
break
है.
होगा ही होगा.
Yeah.
Because their body is cyclic
Yes.
and men body is linear.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
तो वो change का unacceptability आएगा ही आएगा.
Yeah,
Women में भी unacceptability होता है.
Yes.
A different kind of. But for both the people.
Yeah.
If you start living with acceptance of change,
Yeah. Yeah.
your life will be very easy.
Yeah. I think women seek stability because they are very uncertain. Mood swings हो रहे हैं, चीज हो रही है, right? They want something to be stable. एक कुछ तो एक महीने के लिए तो same रहे, right? And for guys it's opposite. They want change, but they're also not used to change. Right? So and that is how beautifully the world is balanced here also. The guys brings the stability and women bring the change, the power of change. Right? And I think that is the beauty of it. When you even talk about Kundalini Shakti, right? It requires
Yeah.
something to climb upon.
True.
Right? And that is your stability. Right? So very beautifully said. Very beautifully said.
And the last, I will say, find your uniqueness. Get inspired from people, but don't be like that. I have to become like that. Become what you are. That's very important. Because most of the time क्या होता है, लोग अरे यार मुझे उसके जैसा बनना है, मुझे उसके जैसा बनना है, या मुझे ऐसी लाइफ चाहिए, उसके जैसी लाइफ चाहिए.
Correct.
But they forget about the baggage and the things that they are also carrying.
Yeah.
And they are trying to copy someone.
Yeah.
Again, you will lose your identity. So get inspired that things are possible.
Yeah.
But be like yourself.
I
And allow your power to come up and then show the world that you can do it.
Yeah. I think if I have to summarize this, it would be believe in yourself.
True.
Stay authentic in the process. And definitely have the faith that you can make it happen.
True. If I can do it, if you can do, anybody can do it.
Yeah, yeah. And actually anybody can do it.
True.
It's just a point, are you trying? Are you trying? You need to try, man.
Are you trying?
I cannot try on your behalf. That's
Step
the point.
forward. I will say
Yeah.
step forward.
Yeah, I think the last realization would be nobody else can change your life except yourself.
Exactly. So again, it's the thing that you are the creator. Create the life that you want. Eliminate the things that are not required or are blocking your way towards the goal.
Yeah.
And keep moving forward. Keep making changes. Don't stick to the same path line.
Yeah.
Every time the path line will change.
Yeah.
Keep
yeah.
changing. Be like Mac. Don't be like Nokia. Keep changing. Keep innovating.
Yeah, it's very much needed. I'll tell you why, because you're creating your own road.
True.
When you are just walking on someone else's road, you have all the direction board because उसने लगाया है, right? Now you have to put your own direction board. You have to create your own path. So you choose कि कहाँ पत्थर डालना है, कहाँ पे क्या करना है, right?
Yeah. So
But-
your uniqueness will reflect.
Yes.
So एक बहुत simple line में be yourself, allow your uniqueness and authenticity to come out beautifully.
Yeah.